Let's focus on the p sound that can be heard in the beginning and end of words like in pop and in the middle of words like in apple. To make the p sound, press your lips lightly together. Let your tongue rest down in your mouth without touching anything. Keep your teeth somewhat closed. Hold the air in for a moment, then let it out with a soft puff of air. Your voice is off and your throat should feel calm without vibration. Now you try to say the p sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter P is a consonant that makes the voiceless p sound, like in the word pop. We'll use the p sound when decoding a word with the letter P. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the p sound. First, look at the word, then say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter P makes the p sound. P, ah, p, pop. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word pop. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant P, which makes the p sound.